Communication has elements, and these elements make the convo work. Kung walang elements, walang communication. Period. Sender, message, channel, feedback, lahat yan part ng communication cycle. Elements of communication is the cheat code para hindi ka mag-ghost. You wanna level up the convo game? Master the elements first. Hi guys! Welcome sa ating lesson today. Alam nyo ba, communication is literally everywhere. Like kahit simpleng pag-like sa IG post ng crush mo, that's already communication. As in, lahat ng ginagawa natin, pag-text, pag-chat, pakikipag-usap sa barkada, pag-scroll sa TikTok, pati yung pag-comment natin ng haha sa meme, lahat yan, communication. Kaya kung gusto mong maging effective communicator, kailangan mo talagang maintindihan ang elements and models of communication. Ready? Let's go! Alright, let's begin with sender. Siya yung nag-i-initiate ng convo. Imagine mo, ikaw yung nag-message ng, "Hi, kumusta?" Ikaw yung sender. Or kung teacher ka na nagbigay ng instructions, ikaw rin yung sender. So basically, ikaw yung source ng idea. Pero syempre, kung may nagsimula ng usapan, kailangan may laman yung sinasabi niya. At dyan naman, papasok yung message. Message is the actual content. Kung nag-text ka ng, "Libre ka ba bukas?" That's the message. Pero hindi lang words ang message. Pwedeng meme, TikTok video, or even facial expressions, or even silence alone. Kung nag-roll ka ng eyes, that's message too. At dahil may mensahe na, kailangan mo itong i-express in a way na maiintindihan ng ibang tao. And that is what we call encoding. Encoding is yung pagta-translate ng thoughts mo into something understandable. For example, gusto mong sabihin na happy ka, so nag-send ka ng smiley. Or kung gusto mong magpa-cute, naglagay ka ng hehe sa dulo ng mensahe mo. That's encoding. Ngayon, kahit encoded na siya, hindi pa rin siya sapat. Dapat may daanan para makarating sa kausap mo. And that's what we call channel. Channel is the medium. Pwedeng text, call, email, Zoom, or face-to-face. Imagine mo, nag-confess ka sa crush mo via DM. Versus face-to-face, iba yung impact kasi iba ang channel. Kaya choice of channel matters. At dahil may daanan na, obvious na may papupuntahan ang message. Ayan naman si receiver. Receiver is yung tatanggap ng mensahe. Kung sinagot ka ng crush mo, siya yung receiver. Pero kung group chat, lahat ng members are receivers. Kaya minsan, iba-iba ang interpretation depende sa receiver. Pero hindi lang basta natanggap, kailangan pa rin maintindihan ng tama. At para maintindihan ng tama, kailangan natin ang decoding. Decoding is yung process ng pag-intindi natin ng message. Kung nagets ng crush mo na ini-invite mo siya sa date, decoding successful. Pero kung akala niya group study lang, decoding fail. Kaya importante ang clarity. At kahit malinaw na, minsan may mga sagabal na nakakaapekto sa communication. At yun ay dahil sa tinatawag na noise. Noise is anything na nakakasagabal. Pwedeng literal na ingay sa paligid, bad wifi signal, or misunderstanding. Example, nag-send ka ng K, akala mo chill lang, pero na-decoding siya ng receiver as galit ka. And that's what we call psychological noise. Pero kahit may sagabal, makikita mo pa rin kung effective ang communication kapag may response. So, that's what we call feedback. Feedback is yung response. Kung nag-reply siya ng, "Sure, see you," ayan, feedback yan. Pero feedback can also be non-verbal, like nothing, smiling, or even ghosting. Ouch! Feedback tells you kung naiintindihan ba talaga yung sinasabi mo or yung message. At lahat ng ito hindi nangyayari in a vacuum. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Lagi siyang naka-embed sa isang situation. At ang tawag natin doon ay context. Now guys, super important din ang context. Ito yung background or situation kung saan nangyayari ang communication. Kasi kahit same message, iba ang meaning depende sa context. Example, nag-text ka ng, "Libre ka ba bukas?" Kung barkada mo ang tinanong mo, ibig sabihin gala or hangout. Pero kung boss mo ang tinanong mo, ibig sabihin work-related meeting. Same words pero totally different vibe. Kasi iba ang context. So always consider the setting, relationship, at situation para hindi ka ma-misinterpret. Context gives meaning and color to communication. So guys, elements of communication show us na every convo has a flow. So remember, clear message plus right elements is equal to effective communication. From sender to feedback, lahat ng elements teach us one thing. Communication connects us. Practice lang ng practice and soon you'll master not just the words, but the process too. In short, know the elements, own the message.